on and see if it works. Put the key in. And there you go. That's what it says. Battery not charging, and I guess that's due to the blue wire. We got this fuse tap, and the ignition E, where I'm gonna get it from, is right here, this empty spot right there. And I got this fuse tap, so I plugged whatever that was in here. I put it on the bottom one, and whatever I'm gonna use for accessory, which is running from this red wire, I'm gonna use the top. They recommended always using a smaller fuse, and so I'm gonna plug this in. And I'm gonna splice that blue wire right here on this butt connector. I'm done now, and as you can see, this is where I tapped in for my ignition switch. So it's that 10 amp right here, that was right here if you have a Tahoe, and it's called the ignition E. Where is it? Right there, 10 amp. And all I did was put the 10 amp back in the bottom one and the 7.5 on top, because that's what they recommend. And this 7.5 is for the blue wire. And now let's turn it on and see if that battery not charging went away. As you can see, that red battery light went away, and as well as the battery not charging. And hell yeah, man.